How to upload YouTube Shorts on iPhone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to upload YouTube Shorts from your iPhone in just a few simple steps. Whether you're new to Shorts or just want to make sure you're doing it right, this video has got you covered, so let's get started. First things first, open the YouTube app on and make sure you're signed in to your YouTube account. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Here you'll see several options. Simply select create a shorts or shorts tab. Now simply go to open settings and make sure you give them all the necessary permission that it requires. Now in the shorts tab, you can either create or record a video, or you can simply upload from your gallery. Now to upload from your gallery, simply go to the gallery tab, and from here you can choose the video that you want to post. You can trim your video, add text, music, and filters to make it more engaging. Once you're happy with the edits, tap on next. Now give your short or catchy title. And make sure to include hashtag shorts in the title or description. This helps YouTube categorize your video properly. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a YouTube short.